Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing some surprising new things we've learned about death. The Grim Reaper may be the classic personification of death in Western society, but ancient cultures had their own unique interpretations. Modern science has depersonalized death, revealing a complex pattern of biological and physical processes that separate the living from the dead. But with new discoveries, in some ways, death has become even more alien. But before we die, please remember to subscribe for more unreal videos. 1. Our consciousness sticks around. Research conducted by Dr. Sam Parnia, the Director of Critical Care and Resuscitation Research at NYU Langone Medical Center, has proposed that our consciousness sticks around while we die due to brainwaves firing in the cerebral cortex. Studies on lab rats have shown the brain surge with activity in the moments after death, resulting in an aroused and hyper-alert state. If such states occur in humans, it may be evidence that the brain maintains a lucid consciousness during death's early stages. 2. Revitalized brains. Recently, researchers at the Yale School of Medicine received 32 dead pig brains from a nearby slaughterhouse. They connected the brains to an artificial perfusion system called Brain-EX, which pumped a solution through them that mimicked blood flow, bringing oxygen and nutrients to the inert tissues. This system revitalized the brains and kept some of their cells alive for as long as 36 hours post-mortem. The cells consumed and metabolized sugars, and some samples were even able to carry electrical signals. With this technology, we may be able to develop new treatments for brain injuries and neurodegenerative conditions. 3. Gene life after death. A study published in the Royal Society's Open Biology looked at gene expression in dead mice and zebrafish. Over 1,000 genes became more active after death, and in some cases, these spiked expressions lasted for up to 4 days. Gene expression was shown for stress and immunity responses but also developmental genes. This suggests that the body undergoes a stepwise shutdown, meaning vertebrates die gradually and not all at once. 4. Energizer Bunny. According to the first law of thermodynamics, the energy that powers all life continues on and can never be destroyed. It is transformed. Part of us will continue on long after our death. Our energy. As comedian and physicist Aaron Freeman explains, all our energy, every vibration, every BTU of heat, every wave of every particle that was our beloved child remains with us in this world. 5. Near-death experiences. Near-death experiences come in a variety of styles, and one thing they all have in common: we don't know what's going on. A study published in Neurology suggests that near-death experiences stem from a type of sleep-wake state. It compared survivors who had near-death experiences with those who did not and found that people with near-death experiences were more likely to also undergo REM intrusions, states in which sleep intrudes upon wakeful consciousness. 6. Generalized response to death. Death rituals are a shared human and animal experience. Although humans perform human-like memorial rituals that require abstract thought, animals too possess a unique understanding of death. Field researchers have observed elephants staying with the dead, dolphins guarding the deceased members, and chimpanzees maintaining social routines with the dead. Homo naledi, an extinct hominin discovered in South Africa, is a candidate for the first hominin to perform burial rituals. Fossils of Homo naledi were found in a cave system requiring a vertical climb and much crawling, leading researchers to believe the chamber may have served as a Homo naledi graveyard. 7. Cotard syndrome. This is a rare condition where people believe they are dead, missing body parts, or have lost their soul. Those with this condition experience a prevailing sense of hopelessness, neglect of health, and difficulty dealing with external reality. Proper treatment can improve the condition. 8. Hair and nails don't grow after death. The myth that hair and nails continue to grow after death has a biological origin. New cells cannot be produced after death since glucose fuels cell division, and cells require oxygen to break down glucose into cellular energy. Death also leads to dehydration, causing the skin to desiccate and pull away from fingernails, making them appear longer. 9. Long lives. Long lives are rare, but increasing. People who live to be 110 years old, called supercentenarians, are a rare breed. Those who live to be 120 rarer still. The longest living human on record was Jeanne Calment, a Frenchwoman who lived an astounding 122 years. 10. Why we die. Nature's kill switch is responsible for why we die. Evolution requires death to promote adaptive life, and most species die soon after their fecund days end. Humans invest heavily in the young, so we require a longer lifespan to continue parental care, but our evolution did not invest in longevity beyond a certain point. Nerve cells do not replicate, brains shrink, hearts weaken, and we die. So there you have it, 10 surprising new things we've learned about death. From our consciousness sticking around to our genes remaining active, death is not as straightforward as we once thought. While we may never fully understand what happens when we die, these discoveries shed new light on the mystery of death. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Rewrite the script and include points 6 through to 10 of the article above that I asked you to read and understand.